how to be a drone pilot in India. With companies like Swiggy and Dunzo testing drone delivery of food and medicines by partnering with startups like ANRA Technologies and Sky Air Mobility. It seems that the tech industry in India is seriously considering drones for business mobility. Recent studies have revealed that a majority of delivery packages in India weigh less than 3 kg, making it possible for a medium drone to deliver packages like food, vaccines, medicines, and other essentials. Not just for delivering packages, drones are also used for aerial photography, tracking, surveys, and more. So, with the increased usage of drones, the demand for skilled drone operators or UAV pilots will be more, and knowing how to operate a drone may be considered as a desired skill. The government in 2018 released a set of strict guidelines for drone owners, operators, and manufacturers to ensure that all drones are identified and their operators are known. Also, proper approvals and permits are required to fly drones that weigh above 2 kilograms. Here's all the details on how to be a trained drone operator in India. Number 1, you need to be trained from a DGCA authorized training center to become a drone operator. If you wish to be a drone pilot, then you should be trained from a training center authorized by Directorate General of Civil Aviation (DGCA). You need to have proper documents and will have to register as a remote pilot to obtain your pilot identification number and unmanned aircraft operator permit UAOP. Number 2, do you need to buy a drone before joining a drone pilot training course in India? You do not need to buy a drone to enroll yourself for a drone training program in India. The drone and training kits are provided by all the DGCA approved training institutes. Number 3, who can become a drone pilot in India and what are the eligibility criteria? The required eligibility criteria are basic. You need to be at least 18 years of age and pass 10th standard in English before you can join any training institute to become a drone pilot. Number 4, what do you learn at the training institute before you become a drone pilot? The government mandates that the ground training needs to be obtained at any DGCA approved flying training organization FTO and include the following theory subjects: basic radio telephony, RT techniques including knowledge of radio frequencies, flight planning and ATC procedures, regulations specific to area of operations, basic knowledge of principles of flight and aerodynamics for fixed wing, rotary wing and hybrid aircraft, airspace structure and airspace restrictions with knowledge of no drone zones, basic aviation meteorology. Number 5, what is the duration of training to become a drone pilot? Most drone training programs are short and mostly around 5 to 7 days. You do not need to own a drone to get trained. All required training kits, including the drone, are provided by the training institutes. Number 6, what is the cost of drone pilot training in India? The 5 to 7 days drone pilot training course at any of the DGCA authorized training institutes are mostly upwards of rupees 65,000 and less than rupees 1 lakh. The fees include all kits and training materials. Number 7, there are 8 DGCA authorized drone training institutes in India. The list of DGCA approved training institutes in India are: Number 1, Alchemist Aviation Private Limited, Jamshedpur. Number 2, Ambitious Flying Club Private Limited, Aligarh. Number 3, Fly Tech Aviation Academy, Secunderabad. Number 4, Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Udan Academy. Number 5, Pioneer Flying Academy Private Limited, Aligarh. Number 6. Redbird Flight Training Academy Private Limited, Baramati. Number 7. The Bombay Flying Club, Mumbai. Number 8. Telangana State Aviation Academy, Hyderabad. Number 8. What permits and license do you require to fly drones? You need to get yourself and your drone registered before you can fly. UIN is a unique identification number issued by DGCA for a particular remotely piloted aircraft except nano drones. You are required to obtain Unmanned Aircraft Operator Permit UAOP from DGCA, which is valid for 5 years before you are authorized to fly a drone. Also, you would need to comply with NPNT requirements. NPNT, or No Permission, No Takeoff, is a software program that enables every drone except Nano to obtain a valid permission through DigiSky platform before operating in India. Number 9. What are the categories of drone in India and who needs to get permission to fly? There are 5 categories of drone in India. Number 1. Nano, less than or equal to 250 grams. Number 2. Micro, greater than 250 grams and less than or equal to 2 kilograms. Number 3. Small, greater than 2 kilograms and less than or equal to 25 kilograms. Number 4. Medium, greater than 25 kilograms and less than or equal to 150 kilograms. Number 5. Large, greater than 150 kilograms. Nano drones less than 25 grams are exempted from obtaining UIN and UAOP. You need to ensure that you do not fly it beyond 50 feet or 15 meter AGL. Also, ensure you are not flying in controlled airspace and no other manned or unmanned aircraft is flying nearby. If operations are to be done in controlled airspace, you need to apply for UIN, UAOP, and your RPA must be NPNT compliant. It is recommended to fly in uncontrolled airspace, enclosed premises, and go through do's and don'ts every time before you fly, as per the DGCA. All other drone operations in India require UIN and UAOP. Number 10. Important websites to keep in mind for information about drones in India. The government has a website named Digital Sky with the link https://digitalsky.dgca.gov.in/ that provides all required information about drones and flying drones in India. For security clearance, you need to apply as per the form available in the CAR on RPAS or use eSahaj online portal for processing security clearance applications available in DGCA homepage, that is www.dgca.nic.in.